Just want to talk, just real quick, just talk about products. Every year, prices go up. I remember when my groceries were $300 a week. It was five people. It was me, my husband, my teenage daughter, my younger children, and my groceries were like 350 a week. But every year, they increase prices on things. And with they're either going to increase the prices or they're going to give you less product. With COVID, I noticed things are being more cheaply made. Food products, skin products, just everything's being more cheaply made. I guess a lot of businesses lost business during that whole shutdown. So I had bought a bottle of Garnier Rose Micellar Water Cleaner, and what I need, especially with mascara, is I need something. The eye makeup remover is going to have some oil in it. I usually don't use it to clean my face. When I clean my eyes, usually the cleanser, the oily cleanser, will fall on my face, and then I'll just use a facial soap, or in the summer I'll use a scrub. I loved it. I loved the Rose Micellar Water from Garnier. And if I ever run out, which I doubt, of skincare, I would buy it again. So I used to keep this by my computer desk because before COVID, sometimes I might bring something to eat home and I'll eat it while I'm watching TV or on the computer. But I don't really do that anymore. Since COVID, I as soon as I come home, I clean my face and jump into the shower. So I took my Micellar Garnier Rose Water, and I meant to bring it to my vanity. And because of the older I get, the more absent-minded I get, I remember going into the bathroom, and between my sink and the tub or shower area, there's a garbage can. Otherwise, the floor of your shower will be your garbage. So you throw out empty stuff. The only thing, either I misplaced it because I blank out, and I'll find it when I move, or it fell in. I know one time before I had a little sample of conditioner that disappeared. I left it there. I'm like, I hope it doesn't fall in, but it did. So I was so upset. I'm looking all over the place. I can't find it. So I said, let me order a new one. So I saw they had a bigger size, and usually it smells good, the Rose Micellar Water. I saw they had a bigger size. I had a coupon from Walmart because they cheated me out of the coupons when I bought the Black Radiance Brilliant Effects eyeshadows. So they just gave me a $5 coupon to use whenever I order. So I said, well, hey, I'm going to do it, I'm going to get the big size because I loved it so much. It cleans my eye. I need something with a little oil in it. Not too oily, but, to clean my eyes. To get that mascara off. And after what happened with my eye, that big sty, I have to make sure that my eyes are clean. And since some products don't always do that, that's why I wanted to keep the other one here. Anyway, I order it, and I picked it up, so they're not charging me shipping. I come home. I'm so happy that I got another one. This is post-COVID. The other one I bought pre-COVID. And it was I didn't use it all that much, so it was, I had to have about 3/4 full. So I was just really upset. I'm hoping that when I move, I'll find it, or if I'm gonna do a spring cleaning, I'll find it. But I go to use this because I was trying out some new eye makeup remover, and it wasn't getting out all the mascara, especially when I use the waterproof. I sit down to my vanity at night before I go to bed. I do a little routine where I moisturize. I put eye cream, I put moisturizer, I put my chapstick. Cuticle oil, hand cream before I go to bed. And I notice now that it's not really cleaning my eyes, so I go to use this. nothing like the pre-COVID. It is just, they're just not making things as well as they did before. They're skimping, they're making things cheaper, and it's not as good. So that was very disappointing. I really hope I find my other one. Anyway, but yeah, so it is not oily like the other one. So I have trouble taking off my, my mascara, and I gotta make sure my eyes are clean so I don't get that sty again. So, I used to use the Mary Kay. Then I was using the Wet and Wild. I'm not even sure if they're still making it. I didn't see it anymore on the Wet and Wild website. So I was happy to find this. I was trying the Palmer's Natural Fusions. I have one micellar water, and I have a coconut micellar water, and they're just not taking off the eyeshadow. I mean, they're not taking off that mascara. So I don't know what I'm gonna do when I every time I place orders, I'll add to, like, let's say it's 85, and I'll buy like 3 or 4 of them, to have there. So I have a lot. I just don't know what I'm gonna do when they're done, if when I'll stop making it. And I was like really excited that this worked so well, and now, so that's disappointing. So I don't know if you guys noticed that, but I've said it before. I feel like COVID ruined everything. For the makeup. For the makeup companies, some companies are just, I don't know, going out of business, and they're just making things cheaper. I have I used to order real pre-made eggs in the morning, and I can't be standing too long, so I don't want to be over a hot stove in the morning. My sleep, ever since my hand was injured, for some reason I can't get up in the morning. I don't know what's going on with my body, but I just, when I get up, I just want to stick something in the microwave. And I was buying these new, I don't know if they were Jimmy Dean, but they were real eggs. They have little like bacon bits, little cheese bits in them, and that's what I would have for breakfast. And this year when I bought them, it tastes disgusting. It tastes like they put cheap, the worst parts of the bacon in there. It tasted greasy, which I can't have. It's frustrating. I found H-E-B makes them, and theirs are bigger, and they taste good. They don't taste greasy. They taste much better. So it's just like really a pain. Getting stuff. Even the sushi, they're putting a lot of spicy stuff in it. I used to be able to eat sushi with no problem, and I can't eat spicy stuff because my stomach, I'll just, I have too much acid in my stomach. So everything's cheaply made. So I don't know if you noticed that. Just something I noticed and just wanted to mention and talk about. So anyway, so next week I'll see you with a different color, maybe purple, maybe pink, maybe blue. So anyway, okay, love you all. Mwah. Bye.